What's going on, everyone? I'm back with a new video, and this video I want to share with you guys 2 gaming coins that I will be picking up during this market lull or dip, whatever you want to call it. So stay tuned. Okay, just looking at the markets, currently Bitcoin is sitting at the 48.6k levels, and this means that Bitcoin is moving sideways as expected. I already explained why I think so in the, I think 2 videos back. I mentioned this, that I believe that Bitcoin would move sideways in the month of December. And so this is the best time to load up on those gaming coins that you really want to get into maybe 1 month ago. And the gaming sector has been hit pretty hard because of this Bitcoin dip. And so yeah, I believe this is the best time to get into, and I'm already gotten into some. So if you have not followed me on Twitter, do follow me at b_chick, because I share my picks and my coins on Twitter first before I mention them on YouTube. So if you want to catch my trades live, I would tweet them out regularly. So the 2 gaming coins that I will be looking to pick up during this Bitcoin sideways market is Cryowar and Cipher coin. Why do I want to pick these coins up? Because I want to pick those gaming coins that will have a big user base. Meaning there will be lots of interest, lots of players for the game, and so I believe these 2 coins will shine when the bull market returns or when the gaming sector erupts again. So just to start off, first up is Cryowar. I think I mentioned this coin in a few videos already, but I'll just mention it again. Cryowar, this MMORPG mobile free to play 1v1v1 arena game. So the game has not come out yet, but the gameplay is already out for 250 players, and soon it will be playable for the public. And so I believe that as more people learn about this game and are able to try this game out, there will be more and more people who want to play this game. And especially since it's a mobile game, it will reach many people throughout the world. And so I believe this game can scale. So if you have not seen the Cryowar teaser already, I'll just show you guys. So this is typically how the gameplay will look like. You can choose your characters, you can move around like Mobile Legends if you have played before. Very similar. You can just search it up on YouTube, Cryowar gameplay, it will come out. Okay, so more about Cryowar. The thing that I love about Cryowar is the game only lasts, I think, about 3 minutes. Yeah, so this game only lasts about 3 minutes max. So it focuses on short session games, and players will be able to enjoy a quick and exciting round. So you can play many games in just 1 hour. And I believe that this is a great factor for game retention, because as you play short rounds, you would definitely want to play even more. So I believe this would be a factor that would stand out over the other blockchain games. Also, this game is no pay to win. So basically, even if there are NFTs that you can buy, those NFTs will not boost your skills in any way. So it will not affect the gameplay, and it is free to play. It is built on Solana platform, meaning gas fees are super cheap. So moving on to the charts. As you can see, Cryowar went up all the way to 470 back in the gaming bull run, and right now it has retraced all the way down to $1.55 currently as I'm making this video. So where am I looking to get into? Actually, if you have followed me on Twitter, I already got into this Cryowar token. I actually bought it during this Bitcoin dip. It dipped all the way down to about 185, but I picked it up around 220, 230 area, and I sold it at about 320. And right now, I'm looking to get back into it again. I bought some at around the $2 regions, and I'm looking to dollar cost average, and I believe it will drop even more all the way to $1.30 as it has broken one of the key support areas at $2 range. And why do I think so? It's because they have a token unlock happening tomorrow. Not sure when exactly, but because of these token unlocks, those private investors would dump more of their bags. And so I believe that Cryowar will drop even more to this significant support area at around $1.30 region. And that is the region where I will load up even more Cryowar. So this is just my basic TA. This is not financial advice. This is just a price point where I think I would get into. Okay, that's about Cryowar. Next up, it's Cipher. Okay, so this Cipher game, also the game is not out yet, similar to Cryowar, but they already have sold sets of NFTs. They have 2 sets of NFTs, and you can find them on OpenSea. They're trading at a pretty decent price, about 0.2 Ethereum or so. And you need these characters to play the game. So they already have released the Cipher Inu collection and the Cipher Neko collection. I personally have not invested in the NFTs itself, but I have invested in the coins. Why am I investing in Cipher? So right now, Cipher does not have a gameplay for it yet, but I'm investing in the team. Why? Because the founder, Tin Yuan, if that's how to pronounce it, I don't know how to pronounce it, but yeah, I followed him for quite some time already on Twitter, and he's a very inspiring person, and whatever he tweets has a lot of wisdom in what he's saying, and so I choose to trust in his vision and his company. So what is Cipher actually? So they mentioned that Cipher is an ambitious casual fighting and exploration game. So I'm thinking that it's also an open world kind of concept, maybe like a World of Warcraft, similar to that. And just a small footage of how the metaverse will look like. Okay, not much game footage, but you can see how visually aesthetic it will look like eventually when the game comes. So there are 3 aspects that they focus on. The immersive world, where you can discover relics and you can build and develop characters in different ways. So I'm assuming you can buy even more NFTs to boost up your NFT characters. Then there'll be guilds that you can build also, plus player economies, harvesting rock resources, use them to craft and fuse. So similar like RuneScape, etc. So they are backed by many VCs as well, many well-known ones. One that I can think of, Arrington Capital, a well-known VC, and also Merit Circle, another one that's very important to the metaverse. Okay, one more thing to mention regarding the token sale for Cipher. They did not have any pre-sale and instead they have an initial public sale, which is an IBCO. Basically, it lasts for a period of 3 days and every one of investors can get the coins at the same price. And anyone can join. You don't have to be whitelisted or anything. So those people who invested, whatever they have invested in their IBCO, that will determine their initial market cap. And I think it listed at a market cap of 44 million when it listed on Uniswap. And also, those VCs and those private investors, their tokens are vested for 1 year. So the good thing is they wouldn't dump on any retail investors for a year. Okay, looking at the chart, it listed at about 140 if I'm not wrong. Sorry, 120. It listed at a price of 120. And on the day of listing, it went up all the way to $2. And that is expected because bots would buy up and inflate the price. And right now, it has gone down all the way to a low of 80 cents. And I picked the bag at around 90 cents. Moving on to the 4-hour chart, you can look at it closer. Okay, right now, it has kind of settled at a support of around 80 to 90 cent region, and so I loaded up at around 90 cent regions, and I believe once Cipher gets more popular, it will go up from here. I'm not expecting Cipher token to suddenly go up in price in the next few days. Maybe in the next few weeks, if Cipher just trades around this region from the 80 cent to the 90 cent region, I will continue to load up at these price points. So not financial advice again, I just believe that Cipher token has a lot of potential. But yeah, do your own research, don't just follow what I say. Don't follow what any YouTuber or any influencer say. Do your own research first before investing in the coins that we talk about. It's just a suggestion for you to, get more idea of gaming tokens, etc. So yeah, that's about it. I just want to share with you guys what are my plans and what gaming coins I'll be looking to get into. Okay, so one more token that I didn't mention, but I haven't done much research yet. But this coin that I'm very interested in is called Titan Arena. Right now, Titan Arena is trading at a price of about 11.94 cents, and I think it hit the high of about $17 back in the gaming bull run. And right now, it's not really dipped a lot from the highs, only down to the low of $10. And this shows that this token has actually very strong tokenomics, and I believe this Titan Arena, the game is already out, and it's similar to a Brawl Star kind of gameplay. So if you have played that before, it's very similar. If I get more idea of how the Titan Arena game works, I might just try and play a bit. If I'm interested, I may actually invest in this coin too. So just look out for my tweets. I will tweet it out when I get into this coin or otherwise. Okay, so just stay tuned, do your own research. I believe this game has a lot of users already. It's also another mobile game, so that's one thing I love to see in a blockchain game. Okay, so just keep this in your arena, Titan Arena. For price point wise, to get into $10 regions is not a bad price to get into. Even right now, around $12, I would look to get into this coin once I've done my research. Okay, so that's it for me. Hope you get something from this video. And as always, the markets are always here, but your capital may not. Peace.